Hi boys and girls, this is Miss Simmons. Today we are going over sort 15 for your spelling words. So just as a reminder, when you cut, sort, and glue these words on a piece of notebook paper, you need to put this notebook paper in your binder behind the reading tab, okay? So you can keep your spelling sorts for future reference, all right? So first things first, let's look at the header for these words, okay? So I see this CVC, my first sort, which I know we've been studying since we started spelling this year, and I remember CVC is consonant, vowel, consonant, and it has a short vowel sound. So for this sort, the short vowel is going to be U, and short U says So if my word has that vowel by itself in the middle, that vowel is a U and it says my word is going to go in this sort, okay? My next sort, I've seen this one before also, is CVCE. This time it has the long U sound. So if I have a consonant, vowel, consonant, and an E, and it has the long U sound, it will go in this sort, all right? I've seen this one before. We've been doing CVCE for a few weeks now. All right, next one, CVVC, another sort that I've already seen. I know those two V's together mean that I have two vowels stuck together in the middle of my word. In this case, my two vowels are going to be U and I. So when U and I are stuck together and they make that long U sound, it's going to go in this sort. Now I have another CVVC sort. Same thing, two vowels stuck together. This sort is UI, this sort is OO. OO stuck together also says the long U sound, okay? This time I'm going to cut and glue with you. So let's cut out. I like to cut around the edge first, so I just have one piece of trash. So let's do that. Alright. Okay, so now I have my spelling sort all cut out. I'm going to cut out my header next. My headers tell me what patterns and sounds I'm looking for. Okay, so for this one, I have one extra down here. Alright, if you are able to glue, you can probably glue this one all the way over. Maybe squeeze that one on. Or you can turn your paper sideways. I think I'm going to turn my paper sideways and do it like this, so I have plenty of room. So I'm going to glue my headers like this on the side of my paper. Alright, going to glue them down, and then we'll be ready to talk about some of the words and the sounds, okay? Alright, so I have my headers glued. Let's talk about some words. Let's talk about the first word. My first word I have is the word cube, okay? So if I look at the word cube, I see that my C is a consonant, my U is a vowel, E is a consonant, and then I have my E. So this is a CVCE word. So it has the look, it has the letters in the pattern. Now I need to see if it has the long U sound. Long U says U, or it can say oo, okay? Long U can have two sounds. It can say U or oo, okay? So I have to listen for either of those sounds. Cube, cube. I hear the long U sound, cube, cube. So because it has the look, CVCE, and it has the long U sound, U, it goes in that sort. All right, let's look at the next word. Next word is food. Okay, I see my two O's stuck together in the middle. That's a vowel digraph. Two letters that work together to make one sound is a digraph. This is a vowel digraph because they're both vowels, O-O. Okay, so if I check my sort, O-O should have a long O sound. That straight line at the top means long. Long O, U. Long U, long U, long U, short. Okay, the curved line means short. Long U is what we're looking for O-O. Remember, O-O has two sounds. It can say U or it can say oo. Okay, oo. Ood. Do you hear that oo sound? It almost sounds like something really stinks, like some nasty food or something really smelly. Ew. Okay, oo. It follows the sort. It has the O-O and it has the sound oo. Okay, so it goes in the sort. Let's look at the next one. Keep cutting. The next one, let's see, if I look carefully at this word, I see UI in the middle. There's my UI. Okay, if I look at my UI sort, this is a vowel digraph also. U and I stuck together. It makes the long U sound. Long U either says U or oo. Okay? Fruit. Ooh. You hear it? Fruit. Okay? Now, U can be kind of confusing. Long U sound. Because fruit and food have very similar sounds for the vowel oo and oo. Okay, you have to realize which words have UI and which words have OO. Okay, because like fruit. Well, that doesn't look right, right? It still has the long O sound, but it just doesn't look right. Okay, so you need to make sure you practice these words and make sure you tell which words have UI for the oo or U sound and which words have OO for the U or the oo sound. Okay, let's keep going. Next word. Next word is crust. Okay, I see I have my U all by itself. When I have U all by itself, the vowel all alone, the U should be short. It should say crust. Do you hear it? Crust. Okay, it has the short U sound, so it goes in short U. CDC. Okay, let's keep going. Next word. Bloom. Bloom. Okay. I see my two O's stuck together. See that? And then I know my two O's have to say the long U sound. U or oo. U or oo. My word is bloom. Bloom. U or oo. Bloom. Do you hear it? It says ooh. 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 Okay. Let's read the rest of these words, okay? We have smooth. I see my two O's stuck together, right? And I know this sort has to say U or oo. Smooth. You hear it? Ooh. Okay, sounds like something smells bad. Ooh. Okay, next word is suit. I see my UI stuck together. UI, same thing, long U sound, U or oo. Oot. Do you hear it? Oot. Okay, next word. From. I do not see a U by itself, a E, a UI, or a OO. Right? Do you see any of those in that word? From? No. I hear it for Do you hear that short U sound for Okay. What's this word going to be? If it doesn't have U by itself, it doesn't have the E on the end, it doesn't have UI, and it doesn't have OO, this word is an oddball for right? Because if this word was pronounced like it's spelled, if it followed the rules, it would be from. That is not what we say. From, right? Okay, so this word is an oddball, even though you don't have an oddball sort, just like last week, okay? Try to get tricky on you a little bit. Make sure you're paying attention. Okay, so I would, when you cut this word out, I would find some space maybe down here under the CVC, and I would write oddball. Okay, and then I would glue my oddballs down here. Yep, there's more than one. Okay, so I would glue it down there. Okay, next word, dude, dude. Okay, I see my U and I see my E on the end with a consonant in the middle. Okay, this one follows CVCE. It needs to have the long U sound, U or oo, ood. So it follows the rule. It goes in CVCE. Next word, skunk. I see my U by itself. It needs to be a CVC word, and it has to have the short U sound in order for it to follow the rule and go in this sort. Sk, unk, skunk. Do you hear the short U sound? Okay, it goes there. Broom. I see my OO. OO is a long U. Okay, OO is a long U sound. It either says U or oo. Broom. Okay. We have mood. Another OO. Mood. You hear it? It says ooh. Like something stinks. Alright, this one. Bump. I have my U by itself. In order for it to follow the rule, it needs to have the sound. Okay, so it follows the rule. It has the look, consonant, vowel, consonant, and it has the sound, short U. Okay, next one. I see my UI stuck together. UI, juice, juice. Okay, I have my UI, and it has that ooh sound, so it follows the rule, and it goes in UI. Okay, trust, trust. I see my U by itself. CVC, and it has to have the sound, trust, ust. Okay, next word, build, build. I see my UI, okay, UI is supposed to say ooh or U, right? U or ooh. Okay, build. Does it say U or ooh? It does not. Build. You hear a short I sound in that word. So this is another oddball. It does not follow the rule. It has the UI, but it does not have the right sound. Okay, so that's another oddball. Next word, moon, ooh. It has the OO stuck together for my vowel digraph. And it says ooh, moon. Flute, flute. Flute, flute. It has the CVCE. Okay, and it should say long U, U or oo, flute, ooh. So that follows the rule again. I see OO in my next word. OO, long U, sound, should say U or oo, spoon. It follows the rule. Last word, OO. It should say U or oo to go in the sort. And this word is tooth. It follows the rule, so it goes in this sort. Okay? So you have two oddballs. We found them together. We found from for and we found build, build. Okay? Every time I've ever done this sort, there's always been questions about this word juice. Okay? why can't juice go in the CVCE sort? Okay, because the UI is a vowel digraph, and it works together to make the U sound, okay? CE is actually a sound that you'll learn later. CE can work together to make the S sound, okay? So that is why juice stays in the UI sort and it does not go in CVCE, okay? I hope this has been helpful for you. So just as a reminder, you need to make sure you cut all of your words out. If you would like to mark them like I do, you can do that. It kind of makes it a little easier to sort them. Then you make sure they have the right sound. And you should glue these down, and you need to put them in your binder behind your reading tab. If you would like, you can write on here. I like to have my kids in class write at the top or somewhere that you have room, sort 15, and then we usually write when our test is. So I hope this was helpful. Do this and keep it in your binder.